Welcome to Aster. Our small design team creates one-of-a-kind, dressy apparel that elevates everyday office looks. We design and sketch prototypes, create sewing patterns, and put a lot of time into sourcing top-quality fabric. We couldn't dream of conducting our business without Odoo Inventory, the warehouse management system that keeps Aster running. Every day, we open the inventory dashboard, our home base for managing orders and supply chain operations. Most of the current orders are for our ready-to-wear winter collection, like this one here, with our trench coat and our mock neck sweaters. There's also a special request, a made-to-order, sequin-laden, 70s-inspired blazer. The chic, no? We'll come back to that later. We can see Odoo already reserved the items available in stock and created a delivery order. To fill this order, I'll just go grab the trench coat and the sweater. Quel désastre! The intern grabbed it for another order, and now we're out! Now we're scrambling. This was needed today! Fortunately, we have the forecasted report, giving us a clear view of what's coming and going. Here, we see our current stock levels, customer demand, and planned production quantities. Good news! Our team is making a new batch of sweaters today. But, due to the high volume of production, I'm still concerned we'll run out of raw materials for the week. Uh-oh, my suspicions were correct. We're running low on fabric. We'll run out of cotton by Friday, and production will come to a halt. So, what can we do about it? We'll fix it using the replenishment report, which considers forecasted demand, safety stock, and capacity. Now, we're suggested to order 640 yards of fabric to meet our upcoming orders for the next 7 days. If we order from Luna Textiles, our pricier backup vendor with a shorter lead time, will receive the fabric in time for Friday's production. They cost more, but the on-time delivery is worth it. Speaking of cost, we only need 15 yards of cotton to fill this week's orders, including the mock neck we're looking for. Do we really need to spend all this money on fabric we don't need yet? Nope. Let's order just enough for the week. For the remaining quantities, we have a week to contact other vendors and choose the best offer. Those orders are due later, so they can wait. How do we choose? The cheapest one, obviously. With materials sourced, how will our small team efficiently unpack, inspect, and organize new shipments? We use Odoo's barcode and quality apps to speed up the receipt of incoming shipments and quality inspections. Uh-oh, this queue didn't pass inspection. We'll return it, so back on the truck it goes. Now, what happens to items that do pass their quality inspection? Odoo suggests the best storage location based on real-time capacity, product needs, and how easy they are to pick. It's all thanks to putaway rules we set up. Even if packages are left behind, they'll find their way to the right place. Oh look! We just received the last component to manufacture the blazer for today's special order. As mentioned earlier, one of our valued customers requested a bespoke blazer. We offer over 200 variants for our customizable blazer design. We take each customer's unique measurements to ensure that anyone can look fabulous in our blazers. Once an order is placed, Odoo automatically creates transfers to bring all the raw materials we need to the shop floor. As for the fabric we just received, once it passes inspection, it'll be picked up from the receiving area. But wait, we can't forget that we have other orders to fulfill today, including skirts, blouses, and trousers. To be most efficient, Odoo offers picking methods to select multiple items in one trip, whether they're raw materials or finished goods. While some team members grab finished pieces for delivery, we're picking raw materials to sew more products. The blazers use the same buttons as our premium trousers, for instance. Okay, now that we've picked all the necessary materials from storage, our designers are ready to work their magic. The designers refer to the bill of materials for the blazer-specific product variant. Then, they measure and cut the blazer pattern. After that, we'll ship them along with the required sequins and beads to our skilled subcontractor. For in-house designs, production is complete now. We conduct a final quality check and prepare them to deliver to customers. There's our burgundy mock neck from earlier. It's looking snazzy. Other semi-finished goods for subcontractors are ready for delivery. We plan which trucks delivers each item based on the destination to optimize resources. Odoo knows the fastest routes to get it to them and will be expecting the finished blazer back in 5 days. While our blazers are being assembled off-site, let's take a closer look at optimizing things on our end. Here, we see Aster's production costs and how many items we made this week. According to our yield percentage, we're successfully producing around 90% of our clothing. Not bad at all, especially considering our strict quality standards. But hold on, why are my designers struggling with this particular design? Looks like the instructions could use some clarity. We'll make the instructions clearer for the next designer to avoid these issues. Problem solved. Now on to warehouse operations. Good news! We've kept the average delay for each supply chain operation under a day. Oops, I spoke too soon. It seems there's a recurring delay when picking raw materials for manufacturing. Here's the issue. Too much time waiting for materials to hit the shop floor. Our forecasting needs improvements. By reviewing historical data, we can figure out exactly how much this material should be in stock at all times. With the number set, we'll stock more of this component and move it closer, so the team can bring it to the shop floor faster. It appears we've got a few deliveries left to unpack. Finally! Our finished blazer is back from the subcontractor. I know our customer is itching to look sharp in their new piece. And look at that! Fresh batches of fabric and buttons, just in time for next week's orders. We have a separate quality inspection for raw materials and finished goods to make sure each customer receives a flawless product that meets our strict standards. Passed! Into the box you go! Then, we'll print the shipping label for the carrier chosen at checkout, and the package is out the door. Now, you see how Odoo Inventory makes things so much easier managing our fashion business. With thorough setup, we've mapped out the supply chain and production routes to enable manufacturing strategies for all our products. Who knew running a fashion powerhouse was so simple? We can now prevent disruptions and keep everything moving, on time, on budget, and stress-free. No more hemming and hawing. It's time to count on Odoo.